Brawling, very brawling indeed. You understand me? So,
reaction boss stuff start the war right now. No playing, no joke. All the dogs and everybody get this. Direct shots me now fire and miss all the dogs.
what's the word? YouTube, we're back with another one right now. You understand me? So y'all know the reaction boss step out very brawling. You see me I say? And rough up the world. First of all, follow my cousin for Instagram. Tell yourself, mama.
I'm on Instagram. Oh, Shira the J-Can. Shira underscore. Stop at that over. You catch me off guard. Shira underscore. Tyreek, stop this.
Oh, talk it out, dog.
Shira underscore the J-Can.
Big J-Can.
The J-Can. Stop playing.
Yeah, I know chaps in the people. So they know so the reaction boss step up brawling and start the clash because somebody afraid that. You see me I say. And this song that I'm about to react to, he is the one. From before we will start next YouTube video, this man same one clash me up people.
I'm gonna mash you.
You hear me?
Go on.
So I could see what I'm saying. Right now, I'm not lie. Him cover her bad. You hear me? Man, if you not see it right there, so. But the dog, the dog say, why? I'm do the match, sir. Dog, roll up brawling people. Brawling, very brawling indeed. You understand me? So, focus. You see me? So, leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. I'm not lie. I don't want a man come batty up the war things. So, you see me? So when it come to clashing thing, I'm some clash.
How that man say? So that him the other side.
I'm telling you this. You see me and say how easy a bomb buckle be yourself now.
That's what the man the song name.
Batty boy tie.
The man all
You know the song name?
Hangman.
Right, so read. Brother, how you put out for a song and then title the song so that. But anyways, TriniGad, Tyreek, Tyreek.
Frogs this.
Tyreek, frogs this. Freestyle hard part 1. Bombo dog.
And different parts. Flame. Run tune.
Run tune? Alright, with that run tune.
What text say? Why are TriniGad outside in foreign? This
one. No, brother. How do you say come in a bad man clash with dog?
Why are TriniGad outside, out foreign?
Big up TriniGad still, but God, this is coming a bad man clash with dog. And yeah, I see the comments them people. I am not dissing TriniGad. You understand me? The war, the clash is for entertainment purposes only. We are trying to prove a point. But anyway, I can see what I'm going. But right now, this funny your fault. Go on! Go listen to him song too, because I know say me the same song him dropped this 8 hours ago. Go subscribe to TriniGad. You see me I say go support the bro God. I can go on. Dog, we're not thief nothing in the dog, we don't have cable in the police in the dog.
Okay.
Go on!
What text say?
What you say?
Why are TriniGad outside in foreign? This one ain't dogs in your face. Yeah.
The dog has spit for it.
God, yeah.
Oh, you spit in the bike for brother.
No, the man, I'm sound effects.
I like shit on I like fuck up them.
Wait, what? Whoa! Don't come back here, man. Why?
Why, brother?
Go on.
Boys then. Yeah, batty man tie, pussy in the no eye, me eye on the skylight, yeah.
Oh, your boy's gone.
Down for you. Yo, you're lower than the white line, make the people know why, cause I got this scoop long time, St. Louis to Philly, yeah. Many miles, Trinidad the one expose you, when you call up
so all that makes sense.
Man said they were exposed.
No, that's St. Louis to Philly, so you're there in Philadelphia, I got you.
Mad.
But they're St. Louis, so everybody don't know that. When they're Jamaica, but hold on. He must say many miles. That means you carry over here because you're there for. Why say many miles?
He might come for you. You're there many miles, but him still a reach for you.
Still a reach?
Come for you.
Well, me would get it because I'm stubborn. Go on. Here where you say have to say, talk.
Fans and fame, hope your 47K arise today.
Thank you.
Look up high rifle binds by grains. Yeah, real rifles on the freestyle and dog. Yo, little boy behave, but that's on the Ludi game too.
Master.
Yo, make a give me song then. We can't come serious then. We can't come serious then, dog. People come back and give me some because super hype come all. I don't come I go on the judge shop. No. People come back and give me song then. I'm going to see what I go on people.
1 to a Glock, musty joke, him and make any boy feel brave, just walk in. Super hype, done kill it and put in reverse with just 2 words. Yo, dog, this a freestyle, me even rehearse. Yo.
Come on, no, brother. Come on, no. Make up your mind. You see the reverse or rehearse.
Now I make this straight. You see me I say? Now go follow me on Instagram. And it's not one. It's a Glock 40 I saw in the video, and it's not one gun. Similar guns, and I'm gonna show it to you on my Instagram story. So go follow me at Tyrekevlogs. See the right over here, so touch him and then see to the right there. So touch it.
Yeah. Right, that's
so then go follow me on Instagram. I put it's 30 pounds. So 2 of them. I show you 2 of them one time. It's not one gun. Okay, TriniGad, calm down yourself. Go check your temperature, man. You need to calm down. As the Great Vibes Cartel say. When the song already, you know, I give you a tease at the end of that video for the next song. You hear? Go on.
I love them dog, yeah. Next time get some sensible line. TriniGad me name, TriniGad at my place. Your fans and know you flop the race. I give man 3 days, yeah. Some say wrong way. Tell him if he want a dead game. Make me lick every tough and start ask if he made spring.
Yeah.
Me no know. We know God. We you know. 40k reads, 40k roses, gear size so sweet, wonder who own it. Oh, Tyrekevlogs, they even notice. Wish him family good health. Yo,
what I'm saying, we don't get the point. What I'm saying, what am I trying to say?
40 graves, 40 reefs, who own it?
What matter? What is that?
You don't know reef for them put on grave?
No.
Really?
No.
They look for flowers what they put on grave?
So you say 40 reefs? And what?
I must say 40 graves who own it. You, my bury you 40 times.
Bumbo clat, that bad then, brother. Me stubborn, I don't want to listen to none of them because you don't make no sense right now.
Oh, sir.
You see me, I say, go on, me like your little vibes. You have a little vibes twisted. You see me, I say, dog. But,
nice.
Dog, do you think the right way, dog? We there so if I YouTube, while we react to music and I promote music, dog. Do you think the right way, dog? You can't come in a bad man or come a freestyle. Hey, you.
Freestyle.
And I record song on your phone.
You might say,
my voice note this now. As a voice note this with the rhythm I play in the background to bumbuck like, go on!
This up banana. Yo, freestyle for them dogs, them and the dog. Come now, don't even.
Come now!
So, yo. I'm smoking too much my chest.
The man lick him chest in a song. Yo! The man lick him chest in a song.
Already fair killer. Big up. The whole of TriniGad.
Yeah.
The whole of TriniGad.
Yeah.
Go talk them.
Yeah.
Home base. You know.
Yeah.
You done?
You not done. I hear the rest of what I say, but we have to stop him. I big up the whole TriniGad. Big up the whole Caribbean.
Yeah, man.
I say?
Big up Trinidad.
Every time she get a chance, to give una like a Trini accent, she jumpy. Right now, Sam, could you hear say a song still there?
Come now, man. I wish I make a video for this one right now. I just, but go on. Big up everybody gone and London thugs them, agriculture thugs them. Yeah, don't know.
Yeah, big up the whole world.
What do you mean?
Say that big name too.
Boy.
Batty boy.
Dog, style me.
No, sir.
Dog, lock me up. Big up yourself, TriniGad, but dog, right now, I'm show you what hot dog. I'm placing the phone what hot dog. Because
Everybody.
not that go on. You hear them bass, you hear them thing there? You hear a song for sound? I think the song that. Listen to this. Deadins. Compare my song to them boy a song.
Bad song, man.
Brother, we don't have none upon me, brother.
Nothing.
Dog, listen, dog.
No joke. All the dogs and everybody get.
Dog, remember, yo.
Them not nothing upon your time.
I'm not giving a tease of the song to follow. You understand me? Hope I'm ready for this, dog. Man, make sure I'm ready, dog. See, right now, tomorrow make 3 days, So say, when I reply yet, I'm the last place, you see me, I say. I still can't reply though, but this I got drop already. Ah, boy. You ready for this? Yo, alright then. Start doing what them can't stop it tight outside with the Me done talking.
Pneumatic.
Me done talking. You know what I next you know. Yo, like, comment, subscribe. You don't know. Drop some fire emojis as usual. Follow my girl on Instagram again at
Shira_the Con.
she got it right this time. You
You're
don't know the
single
reaction
and
boss.
free.
I go show on the 2 Glock 40 on Instagram. Because somewhere come and talk about 2 man a boss 1 Glock.
You want me to say a while ago?
What you say?
Yes.